Hi everyone, I am Srinivasan, Managing Director, Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited. You know, I am a first generation entrepreneur. I came from scratch. Today, we have a factory spread across 10 lakh square feet. Almost all the technologies in the world we are having. We are one of the largest jewelry manufacturer in the world. It is a time I would like to share my experiences with next generation entrepreneur. So we kept Emerald Next Gen Entrepreneurs Meet in Coimbatore. Definitely it will be useful to you. I am going to share my experience with you. I am going to show the factory what I built. Definitely it will be useful to you and your career. Please do come without fail. See you soon in Coimbatore. Thank you very much.